here on Amy, Tom and George's Grand Prix. Horn wasn't working. Got that figured out. It's just a iffy ground. But our other concern is now son of a beach. So, everything else works fantastically. But, of course, the window itself doesn't want to behave. So I get to take this all back apart again. Yay! So, got the door panel off. And look what I find. Appears somebody tried to replace the felt in the bottom of the front track. And there it is. Glasses up. Stuck bunched up felt out. Glass go down. Glass go up. Glass go down. Glass go up. All over glass. Works again. Yay!